Introduction to Data Relationships.
So, I need you to catch me exactly what you mean, and then I'll explain what it sounds like in more detail. In the background, you will also see another part of this.
What is a primary key?
A primary key is a special column or set of columns in a database table. Its job is to uniquely identify every row in that table. No two primary keys can be the same, and they can't be empty. Primary keys make sure that each piece of data is easy to find and never confused with another.
The role of foreign keys.
A foreign key is a column or set of columns in one table that refers to the primary key of another table. Foreign keys create connections between tables, allowing you to link related information. For example, a customer ID in an orders table links each order to the right customer, making data more useful and organized.
How keys keep data connected.
The primary keys prevent duplicate or missing data within a table, while foreign keys maintain relationships between different tables. Together, they help enforce data integrity, meaning your records remain accurate and linked. This makes sorting, searching, and updating information easier and helps avoid errors in your data.
Everyday example. Keys in action.
Imagine a school database with a students table and a grades table. Each student gets a unique student ID. This is the primary key. The grades table uses that student ID as a foreign key. This setup ensures each grade entry matches to the correct student, keeping all records accurate and connected.
Why keys matter in software development.
Primary and foreign keys are the backbone of organized, reliable databases. They help developers design applications that can easily find, update, and connect the right data. Whether you're building a small app or a large system, understanding these keys is fundamental to creating efficient and trustworthy software.